Welcome to Predicted Trades. I'm going to show you how on Tuesday, September 27th, the market fell down to its low of year. And I want to show you how in Predicted Trades we capitalize on that movement. So many people on the street were talking about, oh, we're going back to low of year, but not everybody talks about how they trade that drop to low of year. So I want to cover that today. What you're looking at is our proprietary software that loads key levels on your futures, equity, and options charts every day. ES opened at an elevated point, well above where it opened the overnight session at this 36.68. We open near the top of a 2-hour squeeze. Whenever we open near the top of a squeeze, we're always getting ready for the reversal back down to the bottom of that squeeze, which is represented in these clouds. So ES opens, hits the squeeze top where we're already looking short. It drops down and in a fight back rejects that 37.09 key level. This is where we start loading short. The same thing happens on SPY. It opens, runs up to our sell zone, rejects down to our buy zone, and on the bounce cannot get back to our sell zone before it starts to roll over. Once it gave out this open level, that's when we're getting short. You can see the 365 put on SPY fell down and hit our buy zone at about $1.40, $1.50, came up to about $3, and then came back for a retest at that $1.50, $1.60. That's where we loaded in and held those up to our key level here at about $5, where we're locking up all of our profit. We also pair that with other things in the market like the dollar. The dollar was on a steady uptrend. It took off, started to reject our buy zone, but then ultimately went through it, held it as support, and went higher. This all kept leading and lending to us holding this trade longer, knowing that we could get all the way down to low of year. We also hit SPX. Called out the 3650s in our room. They open and dip to our buy zone at about $273. They race up to $10 and came back to our buy zone one more time where we picked them up for about $3. We lock some at 10 and leave runners. As long as it stays above this open level of 625, we are good to keep holding. And we hold those until they get up to our outer shaded region at $30. That's right, $3 to $30, a full 10x on SPX on that drop. We also hit QQQ. As you can see on QQQ, we on those 275 puts, they open, hit our buy zone at about $1, $1.20. We got those went up to our sell zone at 240 and came back for a retest where we get in at about $1.20, $1.30, and $1.50 really as well, and ride those up to about $4. Same thing, the purple line is where they topped out. So this was almost a 4x, SPY was about a 5x, and SPX was a full 10x. We do this every day in Predicted Trades. We provide these predicted levels that you can risk off of for an amazing edge in options trading. So if you're new to Predicted Trades, come check us out. You can join our Discord for free. There's a link in the description of this video and on our website. And every Thursday is free day where you can test out these tools on your own charts and trade alongside our traders. So definitely come check us out at Predicted Trades. You owe it to yourself to get the best edge available for day traders. Thanks for tuning in. If you haven't checked it out, I made another video for the following day where the market rallied right back and we hit amazing trades to the upside. So if you haven't checked that out, it should be popping up at the end of this video. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you at Predicted Trades.